Upholstery is an art form that takes years to master, but this is a great project to get a little experience and learn a few basics. We're not making fine furniture here. The only goals are to make something comfortable enough to sit on for a few hours that can be relatively waterproof and survive the weather. So long as we take responsible care of the boat when it's in storage, these seats should last for many years. If you're making your own cushions, there's a few tips I'd like to share that'll go a long way in making your life easier. First, instead of using the cheap basic foam from the fabric store, make absolutely certain to use only closed cell foam for anything in a boat. Open cell foam comes by another name, sponge, and you will regret using it in a boat. It holds water, grows things, and creates a smell that you'll play hell trying to find and never get rid of. Second, put a layer of dense closed cell foam under your main foam. The primary foam gives the cushion its shape, but the dense underlayer is what really makes it comfortable to sit on for more than the first 20 minutes, especially if you have a bony butt like me. High-density upholstery foam comes with a pretty serious price tag. However, you can get anti-fatigue floor mats and children's playroom floor mats that are made of the exact same stuff for a fraction of the price. I got enough high-density foam to do all 6 seats on this boat for just about 30 bucks in total. If you're going to be making anything more than a single bar stool size seat, invest in a power stapler. The little arrow one I'm using here runs off compressed air and costs about 50 bucks. You don't need a power stapler to do upholstery, but only a masochist would want to make a habit of doing this without one. For boats, remember that you must absolutely use stainless steel staples. Regular staples will rust out in the first year and they make a hell of a mess. For cutting foam, you can certainly do it with a razor knife or a good pair of shears, but a cheap electric carving knife is absolutely the best way to go for the home gamer. It cuts straight, it allows you to sculpt round shapes with ease, and it makes clean lines with good edges. The real mark of a professional upholsterer is how many people they need to help. You'll want a friend or two, and a handful of simple bar clamps help hold things still while you're stretching the marine vinyl covering so that you don't get too many wrinkles. It doesn't need to be as tight as a funeral drum, but manhandle it as best as is practical, and you'll have edges that you can be proud of. For your first attempt at this, do it with a throwaway piece. You're gonna screw it up, just accept that. Get a little practice in and make yourself a simple stool for your workshop or something like that. Then, once you've got a grip on the process, take a shot at making some seats for your own little boat. It's not that hard, and it's immensely rewarding. There's a few tips to get you started. That's what I've got. There's a million more lessons that you're going to learn for yourself as you go, but these are the first ones that I really wished I'd had known when I made my first stuff. Thanks for watching. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden, and I'll see you next time.